Well, good morning, everyone. It's about 7 in the morning here, and as you can see, the clouds have moved in during the night, and it's sprinkled just a little bit, but it's not too bad right now. The wind has picked up just a little bit. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's a little too windy to be out here on this open ridge and try to cook breakfast or anything. So I'm going to head down the hill a ways and see if I can find a little sheltered spot. You know, even though it's a clear cut, it does provide a nice view. I don't like to be too negative, but probably my only complaint about this is that there's people have left garbage up and down the road, and it just kind of ruins the landscape. I think more so than any clear cutting could ever do. Do I hear a kitten? I think I hear a kitten. Well, I'm going to go have a look to see if I can tell where that kitten sound is coming from. Or did I just imagine it? Well, I went and investigated. And the kitten I thought I heard was actually two trees rubbing together over here in the wind. Well, we found a little bit of a sheltered spot. The fog is closing in just as I pulled in here. And so much for our view. But it's worth it. We got granola, bacon, and I've got an orange I'm gonna nibble on afterwards. And I realized I forgot my bowl, so I got to use this pan. That's all right. At least I remembered my spoon. I feel like now would probably be a good time to throw out thanks, especially to my brother and sister for kind of adding to this experience. My sister, of course, for this granola, delicious. She's done a couple of things in the rig that I will expand on when I give you a tour. I don't know exactly when that's going to be, but eventually I'll do a tour of the rig here. And then, of course, my brother has provided some of the music that I've used in these videos. It's just been really nice having my brother and sister kind of participate in these videos in a way. So I want to say thanks to them for kind of helping improve the experience and making it even better. But now I'm going to tackle the rest of this granola. You know, I think some people would say this is a ugly, gloomy day, but this has a beauty all its own. I'm watching the fog it thickens up and then it gets a little thin, and these trees that are swaying in the mist. It's a cool spot to be. And it kind of feels like we're private, even though we don't have the view. Having this fog roll in, it just kind of makes you feel like you're You're in a little cocoon, like you're the only person in the world. So, no, I wouldn't say that this is a bad day at all. Well, this turned out to be a pretty good outing. Great view last night, nice place to settle down and just look out over the world. It was just great. And then actually moving down here to have breakfast and watching the fog close in on us. Everything's just been really cool. And watching the mist roll through this forest. So while I do enjoy these cross-country trips going to Montana, Wyoming, Idaho, hopefully you've seen some of those other videos, I really enjoy that. I just getting out on the back roads and exploring the countryside from not being on the freeway. A great experience, just wonderful. But you know what, there's so many neat things to do and see right in our own backyard that I'm going to be doing some more of these. Just local excursions. We'll look around, see what there is to see. Here in Northwest Washington, there's no danger of running out of greenery to look at. So that's definitely a benefit we have living in this area. The drawback, if some might look at it, is we do get a lot more rain here. But, you know, you bust out a tarp or two and live with it. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. We'll see you out here again soon, here on the back roads.